Hi children, today we are going to learn about rhyme scheme. See rhyme scheme, I request you to open your textbook page number 28. See rhyme scheme. Read the following lines from the poem. Be grateful for the kindly friends that walk along your way. Be grateful for the skies of blue that smile from day to day. Be grateful for the health you own, the work you find to do. For round about you there are men less fortunate than you. See, here in this poem you can see this second line and fourth line. This second line is ending with the word way and fourth line ending with the word day. Right, these are rhyming words, way and day. Right, see next one, sixth line ending with the word do and last line ending with the word you. These do and you are rhyming words. Right. Okay. Next. Notice that every alternate line ends in rhyming words. Lines 2 and 4 in rhyming words. You can see 2 and 4. These are rhyming words, way and day. And lines 6 and 8. Do and you, those are rhyming words. A poem typically has rhyming words at the end of its lines. They are called end rhymes. A poem typically has rhyming words and at the end of its lines. See here, where the end of its lines has rhyming words. Such rhyming words, these are such lines such words we call end rhymes. Okay. See, a rhyme scheme describes the pattern of end rhymes in a poem. See, you know rhyme schemes. Here, next page number 29. Here you can see A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. This is a rhyme scheme of this poem. Okay. Rhyme scheme. Do you know what is rhyme scheme? Let me explain. See, to find the pattern of end rhymes, each new sound at the end of a line is given a letter starting with A, then B, and so on. See, we give for a new sound, we give a new letter. Like we starting with A. Okay. See here, I will explain this, you will understand. One second. See here, in the poem, be grateful for the kindly friends that walk along your way. Be grateful for the skies of blue that smile from day to day. Be grateful for the health you own, the work you find to do. For round about you there are men less fortunate than you. See here, for the sound, for the ending, we have to see only these ending words. Okay, ending words sounds we should we have to see this only. See, for first line, be grateful for the kindly friends. Here, this word friends, it has a sound friends. Here for first line, we can give A letter. Okay. Next, that walk along your way. Friends, here first one, friends, and way it is not rhyme with friends, right? The word way is not rhyme with friends. It is a new sound. Right. So we can give the letter B. Right. Next, be grateful for the skies of blue. Here end word is blue. It is not, the word blue is not rhyming with way and friends. For those words it is not rhyme. It is a new sound. So we can give C letter. See here given now C letter, new sound. For new sound, we have to write next letters, new letters. Okay. Next, that smiles from the day to day. This day is rhyming with the word way. Right. Here, what is the letter of way? B letter is given there. Right. So, we have to write the same letter here. Why? Because day is rhyme with the way. So, we have to write be there. Right. Next, be grateful for the health you own. The word on is not rhyme with the day, blue, way, friends. It is not, the word on is not rhyming with those words. So, we have to give a new letter. C after which letter is there? C after D is there. So, we have to give the next letter D. Next, the verb you find to do. See, do also not rhyming with those letters. Friends, way, blue, day, on. It is, do is not the rhyming word for those words. So, we can give next letter. What is that? E. New sound is there now. So, we have to give next letter E. Right. Next. For round about you, they are men. Men also a new sound. It is not rhyme with these words. So, we can give the next letter. E after which letter is there? F we have to give. Okay. F we have to give here. Right. F is there. Next. Less fortune than you. U is rhyming with this word do. Right. U is rhyme with do. So, we have to write which letter E is there now. So, we have to write here E. Which rhyme, this word is rhyme with which word? Do is there. So, which letter we have given here for do? E letter is there. E letter is given there. So, we have to repeat that same letter E. Now, we get a rhyme scheme of this poem. Right. What is the rhyme scheme? A, B, C, B, D, F, E, F, E. Right. This is the rhyme scheme of this poem. Like this we are getting, we have to find the rhyme scheme of the poem. Right. See, if any line repeats the end sound of an earlier line, it gets the same letter as the earlier. If any line is ending with the same sound of earlier line, we have to repeat the same letter. For example, this line is ending with the same sound, way, day. Right, it is ending with the same sound. So, we have to write the earlier line. Which line end with the same sound? Here, way is end with the same sound, day. Right. So, we have to write the same letter. We have to repeat the same letter. See here B and B is repeated. Here E and here last E is repeated. Why? Because those lines ends with the same sound. Rhyming words are there. Right. See here, find the rhyming pattern and